Hello guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you how you can edit timestamp or date stamp in your Instagram stories. So I'm in my Instagram profile. I'll tap for a new story and I'll take a picture, and on the top you can see the sticker button. Tap there. On the second row now you can see timestamp. Just tap there and this is the timestamp. Just drag and place wherever you want. If you want to delete it, just drag it down to the delete button and it will be deleted. If you want to post a older picture, okay, so you will get the date of the picture taken. You can drag it to the place you want and you can change the color if you want. Just tap on the date and you can increase the size of the text. Again, you can drag and drop in the delete button to delete the date. So this is it guys. Likewise you can add date or timestamp to your picture. So thanks for watching the video. See you in the next video guys.